Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Roblox account manager. This tool helps you streamline the process of handling several Roblox accounts, making it much easier to switch between them without repeatedly logging in and out. We will cover everything from downloading the software to adding your accounts and using its features effectively. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to manage your Roblox presence with ease. First, you will need to download the Account Manager application. Always ensure you are getting it from a reputable source to maintain security. Once downloaded, locate the installer file, usually an executable, and double-click it to begin. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, accepting the terms and choosing an installation directory. After a quick installation process, launch the application to proceed to the next step. Now that the manager is running, it is time to add your Roblox accounts. Look for a clearly labeled button, often saying Add Account or a plus sign icon. Click this, and a new window or form will appear where you can input your Roblox username and password. After entering your credentials, confirm the addition. You can repeat this simple process for as many Roblox accounts as you need to manage. With your accounts added, you can now enjoy seamless management. Most managers allow you to switch between accounts with just one click, saving you significant time. Explore additional features such as auto login, which remembers your credentials securely, and profile saving. Remember to keep your account manager software updated to its latest version for optimal performance and security. This setup provides a much smoother Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.